Oh hey guys, I didn't see you there. But it's part 2 of me eating the biscuits from the biscuit tin. Enjoy. I still haven't ate them all yet, as you can see. I've got to go. Here comes Emma. Want any more? What one you got there? Ginger. This is called Sneaky Emma and Chloe Part 1. Part 2, should I say. Nice. Very good. So, basically, that was part 2 of us eating some biscuits. It's a little boring. We do know it's a bit boring, but it's very sneaky. So let's eat a fork. Okay, I think I'm going to go before I throw up. Oh, I think I'm going to throw up. Bye.